all. So we are going to talk about the homework questions from 3.8. Now the most voted one was 35, but the other ones were 37, 39, and 41, and they're all going to be the same. So if you had questions about 37, 39, or 41, you're just going to follow the exact same steps that we're going to do here, but with the other numbers. So instead of the fraction 1 over 4, 9 over 4, 100 over 10,000, whatever the question was. So here we have find the square roots of 1/4. Now, remember that with square roots, there's a positive 1 and a minus 1. And with fractions, we can separate them and think about them as two separate parts. So plus or minus the square root of 1/4 is the same as plus or minus the square root of 1 over the square root of 4. Now both of these are perfect squares that we know the square roots of. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. So it's a little bit messy right at the bottom. So therefore the square roots of 1/4 are plus or minus 1 over 2. And if you're not sure, you can always check that work by saying, okay, well what happens when I take 1/2 squared? Well, that's 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. So if you're not convinced, you can always check your work like that. So follow the same steps if you're stuck on any of those later ones, and if you still want to ask questions, leave them in the comments, or you can set up a Zoom meeting. Talk to you later.